Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we're all about living sustainably and saving some green while we're at it. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of grocery shopping, where we'll show you how to save money and reduce waste in the most delightful ways. Let's get started. The grocery store, a place where temptation lurks around every corner. But fear not, we've got some nifty hacks to help you navigate those aisles like a pro. First up, let's talk about planning. You know what they say, failing to plan is planning to fail. Take a moment before heading to the store to create a shopping list. And here's a witty tip, stick to it. Don't let those sneaky impulse purchases derail your sustainable shopping journey. To make it even easier, there are plenty of nifty smartphone apps out there to help you create and manage your grocery list. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, guiding you towards sustainable savings. Now let's talk bags. No, not under-eye bags, but reusable grocery bags. Bring them along on your shopping trip and give those plastic bags a break. Not only will you save a few pennies, but you'll also help reduce the plastic waste that ends up in our oceans and landfills. Talk about a win-win situation. Next on our list of grocery shopping hacks is everyone's favorite word, discounts. Keep an eye out for those colorful tags and be a savvy shopper. You might find some fabulous deals on those organic avocados or free-range eggs. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Time to don your detective cap and channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. When it comes to grocery shopping, reading food labels is the name of the game. Look for products with minimal packaging or opt for bulk items. You'll not only save money but also help reduce unnecessary waste. Elementary, my dear viewers. Seasonal produce, the unsung hero of sustainable grocery shopping. By choosing fruits and vegetables that are in season, you're not only getting the freshest and tastiest goodies, but you're also supporting local farmers and reducing the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transport. It's like doing the environment a favor with every delicious bite. Time for some bulk shopping fun. Buying in bulk is not only a budget-friendly option, but also a great way to cut down on packaging waste. Grab your jars, bags, or whatever container you fancy, and head to the bulk aisle for grains, nuts, and spices galore. Remember, the more, the merrier, especially when it comes to sustainable savings. Waste not, want not. One of the biggest sustainability challenges is food waste, but fear not, dear viewers. We've got some clever tricks up our sleeve to help you reduce waste and stretch your grocery budget. Introducing the magical art of meal planning. By taking a few minutes each week to plan your meals, you can ensure that you're only buying what you need and using up ingredients before they go bad. Plus, it adds a dash of excitement to your culinary adventures. Who knows, you might just discover your inner master chef. Leftovers. They're not just for reheating anymore. Embrace your creative side and transform those remnants into delicious new dishes. Turn yesterday's roasted chicken into today's mouth-watering chicken salad. With a little imagination, you'll be amazed at what you can whip up while saving money and reducing food waste. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of sustainability, composting. Instead of tossing your food scraps in the trash, consider starting a compost bin or joining a community composting program. Not only does composting reduce waste, but it also creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's like giving Mother Earth a big, warm hug. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about supporting local farmers. Seek out farmers markets or join a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program. Not only will you get fresh, locally sourced produce, but you'll also forge connections with the hard-working farmers who make it all possible. It's a farm-to-table experience that nourishes both your body and your community. And there you have it, our witty guide to sustainable grocery shopping. By implementing these hacks, you'll not only save some cash, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So go forth, dear viewers, armed with these sustainable shopping secrets, and let's change the world one grocery trip at a time. Stay green, stay thrifty, and until next time.